Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create Instagram stories with interactive elements in Canva. Now, one story idea that always captures the attention of your audience and makes them want to interact with you is using polls. Now, today I'm only going to show you how to spice it up using Canva. Now, the best way to draw inspiration on Canva is the use of templates. So today I'm going to be searching for a template that I would like to use, and to do that you want to go to the search bar at the top of your screen, and then you want to be searching for Instagram polls. Now you can go ahead and scroll down to see different templates. Now if you are not using the pro version, you might want to avoid all the templates that has the crown icon on it. And when you've made your choice on the template you'd like to recreate, you want to make that template yours. Now by changing pictures, by changing text, changing colors, changing fonts, all those things make them become yours into something unique that you would like. Now I'm going to start mine by changing the name of the creator here, because I'm trying to change this poll into a food related poll. So I'm going to be changing that to food editions. So it's time to change pictures. So I'm just going to left click, and then I'm going to click on the delete icon and then delete image. Now I'm not going to delete the frame because I want the position of this image to remain the same. So I went to my uploads and took out some pictures I already uploaded on Canva. So I'm just going to select anyone that catches my interest and take it back to the frame. So I'm just going to adjust the position of the frame and the picture because I want to see a little bit more of this burger on my pool. So now we are done with the first picture. We want to do exactly the same thing to the second one. I'll be back. Now this is what it's looking like. You can see it's now giving us some sort of a food pool vibe. Now this is me adjusting the text because when we adjusted the picture it kind of affected the text. So this is the reason why I'm adjusting it. And I also added like few words to it. So I wanted it to be like option 1 junk and option 2 healthy, and that is exactly what you see me adding here. So I really did not like the background color this template came with, so I wanted something light, something to go with the food, and then I went ahead to choose another color. This is my most preferred color, and to me this is the perfect Instagram story. And guys, this is exactly how you create Instagram stories with interactive elements on Canva. Now if this video was helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.